What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay Will. So I'm back with another video to let you guys know my next purchase for the channel. So it's no surprise, I'm a fan of the 18:9 ratio at this point. So the Asus Zenfone 5 is the latest phone that I've purchased. I'll have it soon. I'll leave a link in the description for where I got it from. So be sure to check that link and grab yours while it's on sale for $449. So and I think the full price might be just like $490 or something like that, or $500 or something like that once this sale is over. But however, you can grab the phone for $449. You can get it exactly where I got it from. So the phone, I'm excited because it's nice. It has a 6.2-inch display, 18:9. It's kind of got that full display with the little notch at the top of the center, camera in the center, like the Essential phone and the G7 and the iPhone X. That setup is what it has, and I'll put those phones side by side for you. By the way, the iPhone X, the Essential, I'll put them all side by side with the Asus Zenfone 5 once I get it in house. So my order's placed, waiting. But let's talk about the phone itself. Now, there's two versions of this phone. There's the 5Z, which is 8 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon 845. I picked up the 5, not the 5Z. Because it's readily available, and I didn't see the Z anywhere, so if the Z comes out later, I'll probably grab it. But the 5 has 6 gigs of RAM and a Snapdragon 636 with a 3,300 milliamp hour battery running Android Oreo. Now it has the 18:9 ratio and it's at 1080p on the display. This is gonna be an exciting phone to own because that design of a phone, I think a lot of people hate on the iPhone X for that design. But now that it's on the G7 and the Asus Zenfone 5, it's a lot of phones that have that design. And there's, just for the record, there's a lot of phones that had the design prior to Apple. They just weren't released yet. Trust me when I tell you this. I know it's hard to believe that, but I've seen them with my own eyes. So just trust me, Apple just got it out there. And the sad part is Apple's getting ready to leave the design now that all these Android phones are running to that design. Anyway, the phone itself, hot. I like the way it looks, which is another thing that drew me to it over I can pick up any phone I want, but that phone, it's not just because it's new to the market. Something about it appeals to me because I'm indifferent about the iPhone X, and that's the only phone in the Essential phone. Obviously, I love that phone, but phones that I have in-house with that design, the closest one is the iPhone X, and I'm indifferent about that phone. I would rather use an iPhone 7 Plus or an 8 Plus than that phone. But this phone right here, I'm excited about the design, the performance, the cameras. There's a lot about it that I'm ready to experience. So I want to let you guys know that is my latest purchase. Normally I would just do an unboxing, but I was sitting around, I was like, I'll give these guys a channel update and let them know what I got coming in. I do have other things coming in, but that is the next phone. That is the phone that I just purchased. That's my latest purchase for the channel, and I'm excited about it. So I wanted to share with you. Do you have the Asus Zenfone 5 yet? Are you planning on picking it up? Are you going to wait for my review? What are you going to do? It's your man Jay Will. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick channel update. Asus Zenfone 5, I am so ready for it. See you guys in the next video. Take care.